Hello guys, welcome back to another session. Okay, this is the final video for this link class, right? But before I go on with this video, I actually want to talk about something. Okay, please, I want to actually plead with all of you. You know, this particular class, sharing of this videos is not allowed. Please, I really beg all of you, sharing of this video is not allowed. Remember that it's a property of Macari's Cakes and Pastries, and you're only entitled to it because you actually was paid for it, and that is why it's actually on my YouTube channel for you to watch. So please, have at the back of your mind that you are not supposed to share this video with anyone, because if I should actually find out, I'm not going to actually report that person. I'm going to bring that person out and I'm going to report him or her. So please, I beg you, I really apologize for saying this here, but I just really want to say it. So please keep this video safe. Watch it at your own convenient time, and remember that you're entitled to this video for just 3 months, and I believe that within that 3 months you should be able to particularize all these things that you've actually learned from me. So please, once again, sharing is not allowed, and if I should I'm sorry, but if I should see it, I'll actually call that person out and I'm going to report that person. So please, I beg all of you. Okay, so now we are at the end of the class, and I really appreciate you all for your time. Okay, so the last one is actually how to design simple flyers for your classes, whatever thing you want to do. Maybe if you want to paste some beautiful write-up, and then you're thinking of how to do some beautiful flyers. I'm gonna teach you some things you're gonna do. There's this app I normally use. I hope you all know about it. It's a popular app, and there are some other apps you can use to do your graphic design, just for you to make out research. Ask people, do some research. But there's this common one people use that you keep wondering how they do it. Most people use Canva. Do you understand? This is it here. Most people use Canva for their graphics. Excuse me, I use Canva, I use flyer what this is it here. I use Flyer Maker. That one too is also Parfait as well. That's what I use too. This is it here, Flyer Maker. So it's actually really, really okay. Do you understand? So but I So you just have to download Canva. You can use Canva in your laptop. You can use Canva on your mobile phone. Canva is good. Canva is great. That's what I use. It's been amazing. So all these things you're seeing here are actually templates from Canva. Like this spot, there's a portrait, there's card, it's just for you to look at it and see the one you want. Now, for instance, this place you have search now. You can decide to say, oh my gosh, you can decide to say, okay, I want to probably design, let me say I want to design I don't know, okay, I want to design let me say card or flyer, anything. If you want to design it, just type it here. You understand? or you can say, okay, let's just type flyer or cake flyer. Okay, let's just say cake flyer. You type in cake flyer, and then different design pops out. Then you click on search. Different designs of flyers comes out. These are all cakes flyers. So if you want to write anything on it, you can just choose the designs that you want. They are all free, and that's one thing about this that's one thing about this Canva of a thing. It's the templates there are so amazing. In fact, while you're doing these things, there's some things, there's some people, other people flyer you see on Instagram, you can even see it here. I'm sure before you used to, for example, now I'm sure you guys, okay, look at this one now. I'm sure you guys have seen this one on other people's posts, right? They get it from Canva. It's just for you to click on edit. When you click on edit, click on edit, and then it pops out this way. Do you see it? And now it says tap something to edit. Now this picture, there's no need for you to remove this picture because what is simply amazing, right? You just have to leave it there. But if you want to remove it, all you need to do was click on the picture, and then it goes out, right? It goes out. This is it here. It just goes out, and then you see under what's white. Do you understand? You just for you to click on the picture, and then it just goes out, or you just click on this delete here. You see that it has moved out. Did you get? So, but because but because I don't want to remove it, I will still have to leave it there. Okay, it has even gone out. It has gone out. So let's see if we can look for another template again. Okay, this is it here. Is here. You come here because I don't want to remove it. Do you understand? I just have to leave it there because it's cake. Let me just edit this particular Sherry picture, and I click on it, and then I click on it again because I want to write something. I erase it. Then write actually write online class. Online class, and then so this is how it is. Do you understand? One thing about Canva is you just have to the pictures that you see there, you only need to edit the write-up. If you don't like the pictures, you can just drag out the pictures and then you put your own. But then there's no essence of removing the pictures because the pictures there are more like it gives you a less free jobs for you. Now let's click on another another template. Now for this my class, the class that I was advertising on, this is the class here. All these things that are in here, I was one that actually typed on it, and it actually took me time. But I won't start typing on this thing because I don't want to get you guys bored. But my job here is to teach you, that, or make you understand that these things has different templates. Now this is for this particular class you're seeing now. I'm going to show you the templates I use. Right, let me show you the templates. This particular advert you're seeing now, I'm going to show you the templates I use. This is it here. This is the templates I use. This is how the template is. Do you understand? I'm using this one as an example now. This was how the template is. All I did was delete all these things you're seeing here. I deleted this one, click on delete. I deleted this dot thing. I click on this delete here. This different whatever, I clicked on it because I don't need it. What I liked in this template is the laptop, and it was pretty amazing. Do you understand? And I clicked on this GGG and I delete on name. So now I just have to click on this laptop and then I dress it towards here. I shift it towards here so that I can have space to do my write-up. I'm sure you're seeing my pictures here. So this is it here. This particular 2K or this 2K flyer you're seeing here, This is how I designed it. So when you're done shifting, and then you want to type, you come to this plus sign here. You click on this plus sign here, and then you click on text. You see search text. Don't write on search text. What you're going to click is what? Add some text of your own. You click on add some text of your own. You click on it, and then it says enter your text, which is enter whatever write up you want to write. Click on the enter text, and then you erase it and type whatever thing you want to type. Let me just do something simple, so that you guys can see. And I said online class. Oh my gosh, my battery is low. I said online class, and then I click on it, and I bring it somewhere here, right? I bring it somewhere here. So I can decide to make it bold. Decide to make it bold. If I want to decrease the boldness, I just have to click on the color, which is this place. This is the color. Maybe I might choose yellow, I might choose purple, I might choose white, any color you like. So it's your choice. Do you understand? And then I say, okay, I want to type something else again. I want to write something else again. I click on this plus. I click on the text message. Before the text message, text. This image here is what? This image is your pictures. That's if you want to add pictures to it. Do you understand? If you want to add pictures, let's add one picture here. Maybe add one picture, and then you adjust it. You drag it somewhere here, and then you click on plus again. All these things are all these things are where you can fix in your images. This one is sticker. This one is illustration. Illustration means shapes. Maybe for example now, this is the shape now. You click on shape, and then you drag the shape here. Let me put in my price. Probably the price of my online class is 5,000 naira. 5,000. Then you click on here, then you drag it here. Do you understand? Guys, I hope you understand what I'm doing. So you just have to drag this one here, right? So that is it. Well, I don't know if I just hope people understanding me, but then this is something you need to try on your own. This see. So if you're wondering how I got this shape, you click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, this is where you get the shape. It's through illustration. So all these things are the things you need to study and then play around with it. Do you understand? You study it. When you do your first graphics, you keep trying until you get it right. Graphics takes time. You need to know that at times I can be designing my graphics for like 1 hour, 1 hour plus 2 hours, because you just need to get it right. Now this is the price. If you're not okay with it here, you just have to you can decide to bring it somewhere here, anywhere. Do you understand? And then you want to put your phone number. If you want to put your phone number for people to call you for your online classes, just have to type in your phone number, and then you're done. You adjust it a bit so that it can contain, and then you put your WhatsApp. This is just a WhatsApp number. Let me get the WhatsApp logo. So all these things, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up of how this thing was. So just play around with it, keep working around with it. You master it. You can even try other apps, but note that you just have to know that Canva is the best. Is the best, one of the best graphics design app, because 100% of business owners are actually what using it. Do you understand? So now this is my WhatsApp. I want people to know that, so they can actually what send me a WhatsApp message, or I need to what get a WhatsApp from my image, and then click and design the flyer. So you play around with it. Do you understand? Just do something nice for your graphic design. You know, the good thing about it, these are all the designs I've made. These are my designs. The good thing about this thing is there's a template for you already. Do you understand? There's a template for you. All these things you see here are template. If you want to do 50% discount, all you need to what type in here, do 50%. A template for it is going to actually what come out 50% flyer, and you just type 50%. Everything about 50% is going to come out. Do you understand? For example, this one now came out. You click on it, and then it pops out. So if you like this enjoy up to 50%, you don't need to edit, you don't need to delete it. If you like shop now, you don't need to delete it. You can actually what leave it there. If you don't like, all you need to do what is remove this picture, because you don't need any bicycle thing, whatever. You can decide to move this picture, you delete it and put your own cake picture there, and put your own cake picture, because you're actually selling cake and not a bicycle. So you could say, okay, 50% for all our cakes. Do you understand? 50% off for all our cakes. Because you like this 50% off, you don't want to remove it. You now click on this everything. You just click on everything, and then you erase it. 50% off of all our whipped cream cakes. Then you click on good. So do you see? So it's something you need to play, adjust. Do you understand? So now this online use code, you can decide to what delete it. You can decide to delete it because you don't need it. Because you don't need it. Let me delete this online only. You can decide to put your brand name here. Macarius Cakes. My brand name is Macarius Cakes. You can decide to leave it here. You know. Do you understand? I didn't remove this 50% because I actually need it from that template. So because I like it. Do you understand? So it's more like, you know, you watching it, see how it goes. But the good thing about it is that there's a template for it. Do you understand? So if I don't like the design, I can decide to move it. I can decide to look for another template and then work around with it. So this is I'm sure you guys must have been saying something like this on other people's page. This particular one is if you want to do, for example, now if you're trying to organize it, if you're trying to design a flyer for an online course, you can use something like this. Do you get? You can use something like this. I'm sure this one now, like for me now, if I want to design another course, I don't need to delete this laptop because I like it. It's just for me to look for how I can put my write up in it for it to look nice. Now let me show you an example. Let me go to one there's this business owner page I really want to go. Let me show you guys something now on Instagram. I'm sure you all know her name is Trisha Biz. I want to take you guys to her page now because there is graphic design I saw on her page that actually looks similar with what I'm trying to explain to you people now. So network is actually fucking me up here. I want to show you guys something now. Now this is Trisha's page. I'm sure you guys know her. There's this okay, look at it here. Now look at this. This is done with probably with a canva. Do you understand? You see how this thing is looking like? It's almost looking the same thing with what we are seeing here at the moment. Do you understand? So just for you to fix in your write-up, I've taught you how you can fix in your write-up. Your write-up is you just have to click on this plus sign here, and then you type whatever thing you want to type. So but if you don't like this design, you can just leave it and go back to the template. You can say, okay, maybe you want another laptop design. Look another one again. Yeah, see another one. I was trying to make use of this one. I wanted to use this one to create an online course, so I can still go ahead and use it. So if you want a laptop template, all you need to do was come here and type something like laptop. That's what I do. I just type laptop, and then you click on search. Different design always will just pop out about laptop. Do you see what I'm saying? You see, then you keep scrolling, take your time to scroll because there are many. See another one here, there are many. So this search is is something that is for you to type whatever thing you want to use for templates. Do you understand? If you want discount sales flyer, you click on it. If you want class flyer, you click on it. If you want whatever thing you want to use to design your flyer, just click on this search here, and different types of flyer will come out. So it's just for you to understand that Canva can be used to create beautiful designs for your flyers, online classes, discount classes, 50% off for your customers. Canva is really, really amazing because it has different templates. Do you understand? So I encourage you to keep trying it, keep making use of your Canva. It's not something you're going to keep learn one stuff overnight. Something you're gonna keep doing because it's actually easy for the app has actually made things easy for all of us, for we business owners to use. So that all these things you're seeing here are actually templates, like different templates. There are so many, so many. It's just for you to click on the one you want to use, and then you design it. Do you understand? So I think that's all about for this class.